Ya, ang players ko no, palingkura sa bench. Katong players. Sa bench. Ako yung announce balik ka. Katong mga nanugal, di na natumapungan. Pero, kung sa'yo decision sa referee, ato ng dawaton. Okay, dengan salamat.
Low, sound check. Low, low. We would like to thank the sponsor, Barangay Captain Dresa Ferreros, Barangay Captain Scubert Beluso o sayang mga barangay opisyales.
Palihog lang kuha ka ng linya, Ato atrasan gamay ka ng linya. Palihog lang ko ka ng linya. Palihog lang ta, atrasan na to gamay. Okay, medyo dagko-dagko ba na itong player. Atrasi lang gamay ka ng linya.
Sa mga nanaw og live din, no? Narito live. And just search Neil Francis Judilia na atong live dia. This is our finals of our Open Commercial Basketball League diri sa Barangay Perelos. Limar versus CBM. First five.
Di madana, dahil na. Ang pila turun ka dito.
First five. Limar versus CBM. Paimangno ko sa kanang mga gasugal no? Sugal lang mo diya. Ay lang mga apel o desisyon sa itong mga referee. Daghang salamat. Hawanan sa din atong court no? Di na to sudlan sa linya. Di na to yali atong daan kay masiyag masapin na to mga players. Palihog lang ko.
Okay, palihog ta, coaches, palihog ta.
Gordon. Goal ba?
Okay, karang ako nasa goal ko no. Karang nasa goal ko.
Sa kalang lang.
Pa-daplin lang ko no nasa goal.
Kalang nasa under goal. Palihog lang ko na, wey. Sudli lang yung kamay na. Especially Marjon Campanya. Iswagi lang yung kamay na, no?
Si Bugi lang na nasa goal kanang naifong ba naifong.
Oh, Don Baki, shout out.
Stay! Okay, daog.
Still real. First five na ito nila ako sa kanila.
Jump ball. And the first ball goes to Limar de los Reyes. Pass to number 0. Jumper is good. Pass to Tangkay. Tangkay inside pass to number 19. 14 second shot clock. Birami. 10 second shot clock. What a nice pass. Steal. Nasa Limar Ambula. Number 1. Steal by Abad. Abad with the ball. Number 17. Pass to Abad. 14 second shot clock. Tangkay. Inside pass to Birami. 10 second shot clock. There's a whistle. Kick ball. 14 second shot clock. The ball stays at CBM. Pass to Abad. Abad to number 17. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Tangkay, no good. Rebound by Birami. Birami up and under, no good. Rebound by Tangkay. Tangkay, no good. Tangkay again with the rebound. Tangkay, fake, Tangkay, shoot, no good. Rebound by number 18, no good. Managor with the rebound. Managor pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes pass to Mantilla. Report report. Tangkay pass to Abad. 14 second shot clock. Tangkay open for 3. Report report. De Los Reyes, 14 second shot clock. Number 20. Kick out to Mantilla again. Mantilla. Report report. 8-3 in favor of Limar. Juju Tangkay, no good. Rebound by number 19, pass Abad. 10 second shot clock. Abad blocks by Malagor. Pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with the ball. De Los Reyes with a running shot. Here for 2 points. Ten to 3 in favor of Limar. Inside pass to Birami. 14 second shot clock. Birami pass to number 19. Number 19, no good. Rebound on number 0. Nasa Limar Ambula. Pass to Managor. Managor spin. Managor hook shot. Good for 2 points. Dusi 3, 7 minutes. Juju Tangkay. Jumper, no good. Rebound again by Juju Tangkay. Juju Tangkay, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, floater, no good. Rebound by Managor, and there's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul committed by number 19. Timeout, CBM. First personal foul, number 19. First team foul by CBM. 6 minutes and 41 seconds time remaining. 12-3 in favor of Limor. Back to the ball game. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes paso Mantilla. Open for three. Jersey number 0. No good. Rebound by Birami. Birami to Abad. Abad to the ball. Abad defended by Ortiga. 14 second shot clock. Number 17. No good. At the bound, the ball stays at CBM with 13 second shot clock. Ten second shot clock. Habad open for three. Good for 3 points. Inside pass to Managor. 14 second shot clock. Managor. Low. Jojo Tangkay. Jojo Tangkay nakitagpasan. Pass to Abad. 10 second shot clock. Number 17 with a running shot. Good for 2 points. Mantilla. Mantilla kick out to Ortiga. Ortiga no good. Rebound by number 17. 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
14.
Jojo Tangkay, no good. Rebound by 14. There's a foul. Foul committed by number 8. Illegal use of hands. Side throw. First was a foul by Abad. Second team foul. CBM. De Los Reyes. 10 second shot clock. Ortiga. Ortiga good for 2 points. 16-8. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Abad dribbling the ball. 14 second shot clock. Abad inside pass to Birami. Birami blocks by Managor with 5 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Managor, paso Mantilla. Mantilla. Paso de Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with 2 points. Wala ibang ko. Jojo Tangkay. Jojo Tangkay. Jumper is good.
Sabak lang, pre.
Sabak. Sabak, Daddy B.
Mantilla.
Sabak, Nicole.
14 second shot clock. Managor. Managor, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 to Abad. Abad, binaba yung bola. 14 second shot clock. Abad, paso Jojo Tangkay. Jojo Tangkay, tumira na 3. Good for 3 points. 13-8. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 18-13. 14 second shot clock. Number 0, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17 dribbling the ball. Pass on Jojo Tangkay. Jojo Tangkay, no good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 0, pushing foul. Substitution. First personal foul by number 0. First team foul by Limar. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 18 to 13. 16 second shot clock. Ten second shot clock. Juju Tangkay, no good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 21, illegal use of hands, side throw. 14 second shot clock. First was a foul, second team foul. 10 second shot clock. Inside pass to Sala Blacks. That is Sadukas ang bola. Sadukas pass to Ortiga. Ortiga good for 2 points. 23, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Castro. Castro pass to Birami. Birami short jumper. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19. Basket. Na may kasama foul. Wait Basket foul committed by number 50. Bulustro. Substitution foul. First was a foul by number 50, 13 foul by Limar. Bonus throw by number 19. Bonus throw is good. By T, this is size in favor of Limar. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Sadukas. Pass number 21, sneaking by number 19. Number 19, pass of Castro. Castro double wall. Castro pass. Out of bounds. Same ball. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 16 second shot clock. Castro. 14 second shot clock. Inside pass to number 19. 10 second shot clock. Inside pass to Sibial. Sibial. Basket. Tabay kasama foul. Basket count. Foul with the way number 0. Pushing foul. Bonus throw. First was a foul by Sadukas, warning for penalty, Limar. Bonus throw by Sibial. Bonus throw is good. Dong, kinsa lang ga-flash na cellphone no, ayaw yung flash no. 20-19. No good. Rebound. Dali Suarez. Suarez pasok Castro to Suarez. Suarez good for 2 points. 21-20 in favor of CBM. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Jude. 14 second shot clock. Sadukas to Alpiche. 10 second shot clock. Aluro no good. Alpiche with a putback no good. Rebound by number 19. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Castro, paso Suarez. Suarez, running shot, no good. Rebound by number 19. 14 second shot clock. Sala, good for 2 points. 1 minute. Sadukas with the ball. Sadukas paso, Aluro. Aluro, no good. But there's a foul. 50 seconds time remaining sa the first quarter. Foul committed by number 16, pushing foul, side throw. First was a foul by number 16, 13 foul by CPM. 14 second shot clock, 50 seconds time remaining sa the first quarter. Steal by Castro to Suarez. Suarez all the way, good for 2 points. 40 seconds. Alfreche. 14 second shot clock, no good, but there's a foul. Foul with the way number 9. Illegal contact to hand, 2 free throws. First was a foul by Castro. Warning for penalty, CBM. 2 free throws by Alfreche. First one is good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Both free throws good by Alfreche. Score 25-22. 25 seconds time remaining. 14 second shot clock, Castro. 10 second shot clock. There's a loose foul. Loose foul committed by number 19. Penalty. Penalty situation. Second personal foul by number 19. Penalty. 13.8 seconds.
Action!
Lost ball foul. Posting ba? Dili to pinsit. Dili to siya pinsit. Lost ball.
13.8 seconds time remaining. 25 to 22 in favor of CBM. First throw by Langbin is good.
Tiara! Nakatakan ka, gagawin.
Second throw ready for rebound. Both is good. 24 to 25. 10 seconds. 5.
Oreng, wag mo itong sabihin, eh!
And our first quarter score 27 against 24 in favor of CBM.
Awan na ba po?
O, pag-iya sa mga gawas, pag-iya.
Ay! Ibay!
Atong final MVP trophy and rice sponsored by Kosial Kimbox.
Hala! Balik starting five! Idol na ko ay. Asa na eh, kinsagay na. Managor? Managor. Asa ka tong murag Dwight Howard.
Second quarter. Castro. 14 second shot clock. And a steal by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with the ball. De Los Reyes blocks. What a clean block by number 13.
Una ko idol number 13. Una nagpasayaw ni Tulingig. Tanan saan mo?
Managor. Inside. Managor, no good. Out of bounds. Pula sa CBM. Castro, pass to Suarez. Suarez attacks and there's foul. Foul committed by number 22, illegal use of hands, side throw. First personal foul by Navarro. First team foul by Limar. 10-second shot clock. Birami, pass to Suarez. Suarez, jumper is good. 29 to 24. Mantilla, paso De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes humira na 3, so good. Out of bounds. Bula sa CBM. 29 to 24 in favor of CBM. Second quarter, 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Castro, inside pass number 4, no good. Rebound by Managor. Managor pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, paso Navarro, paso Mantilla. Mantilla inside pass, De Los Reyes, so good. Rebound by Birami, Birami to number 13 to number 4. Number 4 all the way, good for 2 points. Time out, Limor. (31 to 24). Back to the ball game. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with the ball. De Los Reyes pass to Mantilla. Inside pass to Managor. Managor. Strong move to the basket. Managor no good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 18. Pushing foul. 2 free throws. Birami with a first personal foul and a first team foul by CBM. Managor, first throw. First throw so good. Second throw ready for rebound. 1 point.
Ampis sa paglarga, boss. Saudi boy.
14 second shot clock, Birami. 10 second shot clock. Birami pumupose, Birami up and under. Pass to number 4. 5 second shot clock, out of bounds. Bola sa Limor. De Los Reyes, paso Mantilla. Mantilla, paso Managor. Managor, there's a whistle, there's a foul. Foul committed by number 18. Hacking foul, side throw. Second personal foul by Birami. 10 second shot clock. There's a foul. Foul committed by number 2, hacking foul, side throw. First personal foul by Suarez, third team foul. 14 second shot clock. De Los Reyes. 10 second shot clock. Mantilla. What a nice pass. Inside pass, Olawa, so good. No good. Battle of rebound. Navarro with a putback grip for 2 points. 27 to 31 in favor of CBM. Castro to the roll. Castro short jumper is good. 33 to 27. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. De Los Reyes. Pass on Managor. Managor jumper no good. Rebound by Birami. Birami pass on Castro. Castro to the ball. Castro jumper is short. Substitution, same ball, CBM ball, 15 second shot clock. Birami, paso Juju Tangkay. 10 second shot clock. Castro, no good. Rebound by Birami. 5 second shot clock. Castro, no good. Rebound by Managor. Managor pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes in the ball. De Los Reyes kick out pass. Mantilla pass to Navarro. Navarro fake. Navarro short jumper using the glass so good. And a steal by Mantilla. Pass to De Los Reyes. Running shot by De Los Reyes so good. De Los Reyes report 2 points. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Castro. Castro pass to number 4. Number 4 tumira na 3. For 3 points. Mantilla pass to De Los Reyes. To Managor. Managor inside, no good. Lawas blocks by Juju Tangkay. And a rebound by number 13. Number 13 pass for Juju Tangkay. 14 second shot clock. Short jumper by Tangkay. No good. Rebound by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes in the ball. De Los Reyes pass to Navarro. Navarro good for 2 points. Substitution sub. 31 to 36 in favor of CBM. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. 7 minutes into second quarter. Mantilla. Pass to De Los Reyes to Navarro. Inside pass. What a nice touch pass to Michael Lawas. Pass to Mantilla. Mantilla no good. Rebound by Tangkay. Abad. 14 second shot clock. From 16-footer. No good. Rebound by Managor. De Los Reyes. Pass to Mantilla. Back to De Los Reyes. Pass to Navarro. 14 second shot clock. Navarro tumira ng 3. So good. Rebound by Pirami. Pass to Tangkay. Tangkay di the wall. Tangkay pass to number 17. Number 17 no good. Rebound by Lawas. Lawas to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, 1 versus 3. De Los Reyes running shot, no good. Rebound. Rebound. Nani Pirami, rebound. Nani number 17. Number 17, tumira na 3. So good. Rebound by Managor. 4 minutes. Mantilla with the ball. Mantilla pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, inside pass, steal by number 13 to Abad. Abad with the ball. Abad with a floater. Abad, no good. Rebound by number 13 to number 17. 14 second shot clock. Juju Tangkay. No good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 12. Blocking foul. Substitution. First personal foul by number 12. Second team foul by Limar. 14 second shot clock. 31 to 36 in favor of CBM. 3 minutes and 37 seconds of the second quarter. 10 second shot clock. Abad with a crossover. Abad pass to Pirami. What a nice pass to number 18. And there's a block, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 2. Pushing foul. 2 free throws. First was a foul by Managor. Third team foul by Limar. First throw by number 19 is good. 3-7-3-1. Second throw ready for rebound. Rebound by Navarro. 1 out of 2 by number 19. De Los Reyes with the ball. 3 minutes 20 seconds. Ortiga inside pass to Navarro. Navarro. Jumper is good. 33 to 37. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Abad. 3 minutes. 14 second shot clock. Tangkay. Tangkay paid away shot. Good for 2 points. The veterans, Juju Tangkay. 39 idol, 39. Rebound by number 19. Oh. Number 17, pass to number 19. To Tangkay. Inside pass to number 19. No good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 6. Substitution. First was a foul by De Los Reyes. Warning for penalty. Limar. 39 to 33. First touch good.
Dario! Ay, nagsuot Dario, kay kuta lang ka.
Second throw ready for rebound. Substitution, Sao. 35 to 39. Mantilla, no good. But there's a foul.
Huwag nang style.
Foul committed by number 16. Pushing foul. 3 free throws. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. First one is no good. Second throw in and out. Substitution.
Ludi, na
34 to 41.
Ludi, pagawas na Ludi.
Abad. Tato Tangkay. 14 second shot clock. Tangkay. Jumper is good. Two minutes. De Los Reyes. Pass to number 0. Good for 3 points. 16 second shot clock. 1 minute and 46 seconds. Abad. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Out of bounds. Bula sa Limor. 43 to 37. 1 minute and 31 seconds sa bilis ato second quarter. De Los Reyes. Inside pass to number 0. Kick out to Mantilla. Mantilla pass to Ortiga. 10 second shot clock. Ortiga. No good. Rebound by Tangkay. Tangkay to number 17. Pass to Tangkay. 14 second shot clock. Juju Tangkay. Air ball. 58 seconds. 58 segundos.
Inaway si India snap. Bisag tubig.
50 segundos. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Ortiga. Hit for 3 points. Oh, 2 points, sorry. 30 seconds. Abad. In and out. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, no good. But there's a foul. Foul committed by number 50. Pushing foul. 2 free throws. Second personal foul penalty. "25 seconds. First throw in and out. Second throw ready for rebound. 1 point. "44 to 39, 20 seconds. 14 second shot clock. 1 second time differential. 5 second shot clock. Head of our second quarter. Score 44 to 39 in favor of CVM. Papasalamaton dito sa itong sponsor, Honorable Barangay Captain diri sa Barangay Perilos, Barangay Captain Schubert Biluso sa iyang mga barangay opisyales. Ang mo hatag sa itong award ay sa atong final MVP trophy and rice sponsored by Konsyal Kimbox.
Tubig?
Nakabaho pa eh.
Mata ka na.
Asa to tubig dyan? Ato to idol.
Ilistan mong mutsi ka ng
Managor.
manag-gurmore sa ligans naman.
Why kayo layat sa rebound?
Kanang mga nanguli na alang mo sa itong live Neil Francis Judilia. Wala pa.
Kaduwa, tato ninyo kaya Kurt. Maria to paglas, bagsak-sak ng trees.
Asa to namaligay tubig? Shout out East York.
Kanang big tree starting 5 to 20 so. Tulura ka importe. Ang nagpalokal din si Juan. Champion! Kaasasan silang libro eh. Pero dili sulit ang lawas. Ari ka mo ay. Ulitin ang lawas. Isung tibay sung. Kato, ako tiguang makatulala. Ano, ano? Eh, zoom, 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 zoom. Ha.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Time check. It's already 12 midnight.
Tulura. Matupad natin. Patriligid natin ito sa limar.
Third quarter. Bula sa Limar. Inside pass to Managor. Managor turn around and out of bounds. Abad dribbling the ball. Abad pass to Suarez. Back to Abad. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Abad, long 3 points. Out of bounds, mula sa Limar. Mantilla. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 50. Jumper so good. Rebound by Birami to Abad. And pass to Suarez. Suarez so good. Rebound by number 50. Number 0 to Mantilla. 14 second shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Number 0 dribbling wall. Pass to number 20. 10 second shot clock. Inside pass. Number 50. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points per end. 14 second shot clock. Sala, no good. Rebound by Managor. Managor pass to number 0. Number 0 to Miranda Tres. In and out. Rebound by Birami to Abad. Abad pass to Suarez. 14 second shot clock. Birami. What a nice move by Birami. Good for 2 points. 46 to 41. Ortiga. Pass to Managor. Managor. No good, but there's a foul. Foul with by number 19. Legal use of hands. 2 free throws. Number 19 with a third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. First choice so good by Managor.
Salang!
Just one shot and I
Second throw ready for rebound. 1 point by Managor.
good boy.
Abad to the wall. Abad to Miranda Tres, so good. Rebound by Ortiga. To Managor. Pass Ortiga. 14 second shot clock. Steal by Abad. Out of bounds.
Hoy, Mananggara, number 8. Sige lang kayo sa twista.
Mantilla to the wall. Mantilla pass to number 0. Managor. 16-footer. Good for 2 points. (46 to 44) in favor of CBM. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Abad, good for 3 points.
Lampara na.
Ito kay na, important yung last binlod. Abad.
Substitution. Low. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Managor in and out. Rebound by Birami. To Castro. 14 second shot clock. Steal by number 50 and a pass to Ortiga. Ortiga good for 2 points. 46 to 49 in favor of CBM. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Tangkay with the ball. 14 second shot clock. Tangkay. No good. Put back by Suarez. So good. Rebound by number 50 to Mantilla. Mantilla. Steal by Castro. Long pass to Suarez. Suarez so good, but there's a foul. Ayaw, pre. Foul with by number 50. Head foul, 2 free throws. Third personal foul by number 50. First team foul by Limar.
Ay!
First one so good.
Miss the second.
Second throw, ready for rebound.
Hallelujah!
Both footers so good. Rebound by number 50. Number 50 pass to Mantilla. Mantilla pass to number 0. No good. Rebound by number 19. To Castro. Inside pass to Tangkay. Suarez so good. Rebound by number 19.
Raunay na.
10 second shot clock. Castro to Suarez. Short. Rebound by Ortiga. Ortiga to Mantilla. A steal by Castro. And there's a foul. Foul with the number 11. Substitution, sub. Mantilla with the first personal foul. Second team foul.
Dua pa ko ah.
Castro dribbling the ball. 14-second shot clock. Castro short. Rebound by number 0 to De Los Reyes. Ortiga. Open for 3. Hit for 3 points.
Iguales.
49 all. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Tangkay. 14-second shot clock. Tangkay from 16-footer. No good. Rebound. Steal. Miguito. Jumpers here. Mantilla. Pass on number 0. Kick out. Ortiga. Tumira na naman. No good. Rebound by Tangkay. And a steal by Ortiga. Ortiga pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes to Malagor. To number 0. Open for 3. Hit for 3 points.
Labaw na ta? Labaw.
52-51 in favor of Limar. Castro, pass to Mingito. Mingito, for 3 points.
Chamba.
54-52, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. De Los Reyes, pass on Mantilla. To number 0 again. No good, rebound by Tangkay. Mingito, pass on Castro and out of bounds.
Sara na po nila.
Three minutes. 14-second shot clock. De Los Reyes, pass to Managor. Managor, jumper, is good. 54 all. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Second shot clock. Castro. Pass to number 19. Nabuhay na mula na ni Mantilla steal and out of bounds. Substitution. 7-second shot clock. 7-second shot clock.
So,
5-second shot clock. Good for 3 points. Jojo Tangkay, the veteran. Steal by Castro and there's a foul. Foul committed by number 11, holding. Mantilla with a second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution, sub. to 54 in favor of CBM. 14-second shot clock. 2 minutes. Steal by number 0, Dani Alpizia. Steal by Benguito. Step back 3, short. Rebound by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes pass to Alpeche. Short jumper is short. Rebound by Pirami. Pirami to Minguito. Minguito na goal, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 0. Timeout. Limar. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Baliw ko.
Back to the ball game. Time check. 12:16 in the midnight. Muli na sila. Duty pa sila. First throw. First throw is so good. 1 minute and 31 seconds time remaining sa the third quarter. In and out. Both players are good. De Los Reyes, 7 ball. De Los Reyes hit for 3 points. 57 all. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Abad with a floater. Good for 2 points. De Los Reyes, so good. Rebound by Langbid. 55 seconds. Managor. 10-second shot clock. And for 3 points. 659. 35 segundos. 14-second shot clock. Si Bial using the glass here for 2 points. Huh? 60, 61. 60, 61.
Boss!
There's a foul.
Boss!
Foul with the way number 10, pushing foul. Tangkay with the first personal foul, second team foul.
Buwag na niya ka.
O, panahon man sumpa. Lain na. Lain na, saan?
14-second shot clock.
Sumpa, biya to last, di ba?
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Reverse is so good. 5 segundos. Abad. Head of our third quarter. And that was a close game. 61-60. In favor of CBM. Salamat ito sa sponsor, Honorable Barangay Captain Super Peluso o sa iyang mga barangay opisyales. Back to the ball game, fourth quarter. Bula sa CBM, fourth quarter.
Alert!
Abad, good for 3 points. 64-60. Number 0, Paso Luro. 10-second shot clock. Mantilla. Paso number 0. Blocked by number 19. With 5-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
Alert!
Danny Abad, give the ball. Abad, Paso Minguito. No good. Rebound by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with the ball. De Los Reyes no good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 8, pushing foul. Abad with a second personal foul. First team foul by CBM.
Alas!
10-second shot clock. Number 0, A-ball. Tangkay. Tangkay, short. Minggito with back, good for 2 points. 66-60. Second shot clock. Aluro. Steal by Bilrami. Back steal by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Paso Managor. Speed Managor. Substitution, sub. 14-second shot clock.
Alas!
10-second shot clock. Steal by Pirami. To Binguito. Good for 2 points. 68-60. No good rebound. Apart. Apart with the ball. 10-second shot clock. Tangkay. Tangkay short. Rebound by Pirami. Rebound by Managor. Managor pass to Ortiga. Ortiga with the ball. Ortiga pass to De Los Reyes. Ortiga, no good. Rebound by Matilla. Inside pass. Aluro, good for 2 points. 62-68. Second shot clock. Number 19. Good for 2 points. 70-62. 6 minutes and 30. De Los Reyes, so good. Rebound by Binguito. Na pass to Tangkay. Tangkay. No good, but there's a foul. Foul committed by number 6. Illegal go to Brian Jupiters. Timeout. Limar.
Alas!
6-second personal foul. First team foul by CBM. Limar. Sorry. Back to the ball game.
Stevie mo!
First is good. One point. One out of 2 by Tangkay. Matilla with the ball. Matilla pass to Ortiga. To Navarro. Navarro, jumper in and out. Rebound by Managor. Managor blocks by Pirami. Managor again. Second shot clock. Second shot clock. Ortiga. Good for 3 points. 60 65-71. Abad, dribble the ball. 14-second shot clock. There's a foul. Foul committed by number 22, handshake.
Yan, narisige yun.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Limar. 14-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Inside pass, Birami. Kick out. Jojo Tangkay. No good. Rebound by Managor. Managor to number 0. Number 0 dribbling the ball. Pass Ortiga. Managor. Managor. Strong move to the basket. Good for 2 points. 67-71. 5 minutes.
Coach, concentrate na coach. Shot na, shot. Concentrate na.
Mingito. 14-second shot clock. No good. At the bounce, Bula Salibar. No good. Rebound by Tangkay. Tangkay, dribble the ball. Tangkay, jumper in and out. Rebound by Mantilla.
Punta!
Mantilla pass to number 0. To Ortiga. Gani Mantilla. 10-second shot clock. Managor, tumira ng 3. So good. Second shot clock. Long 3 points by Abad. Hey, for 3 points. 74-67. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. John Abad for 3. 14-second shot clock, no good. Rebound by Pirami to John Abad again. Step in Curry range and there's a foul. Foul committed by number 11. Substitution. Mantilla with a 3rd personal foul and a 3rd team foul. Time remaining at 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Five-second shot clock again. John Abad. Step in Curry range. Hit for 3 points. 5 people of the night. Why Mantilla pumawi na 3. Timeout. CBM. Warning, jersey number 11, faking foul.
Stage is abad eh.
Wala ka naman kamuha.
Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 77-70. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 77-70 in favor of CBM. Janapat. 14-second shot clock. Mingito short. Rebound. Mantilla with the rebound. Fast to De Los Reyes. To number 0. No good. Rebound by Managor. Managor. Basket. Tabay kasama foul.
Shot lang!
Pass it down. Foul committed by number 18. Legal use of hands. Pulso. Birami with a third personal foul and a second team foul by CBM.
Not the first free throw. I buy you
Managor Pulustro. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. 72-77. Pulustro is so good. A long pass from Bigito. Touch pass to Janabad. Good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Schwartz. Rebound by number 18 to Bigito. 79-72. Juju Tangkay. 14-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Juju Tangkay now go. Rebound by Managor. Managor pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes over the wall. De Los Reyes over the tres. And for 3 points. 75-79. 4 point. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Abad. 14-second shot clock. Abad, give me the ball. Abad with the floater. John Abad is unstoppable. De Los Reyes. And for 3 points. 78-81. 1 minute. 55 seconds. 14-second shot clock. Mingito. Tuvieron a tres. Oh, para 3 points. And for 3 points. De Los Reyes. Paso Mantilla. Mantilla paso number 0. No good. Rebound by Mingito. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Janabad. 10-second shot clock. Number 17, long 3 points, no good. 15, Mantilla, no good. Rebound, number 19, 5. Head of the ball game, congratulations! With the final score, 84-78, and the champion, CBM!